Hi, today I'm going to go through the steps, Charleston step, which of course comes from the dance Charleston dance from the 1920s or whatever. Okay, I start with my weight on my left, make a semicircle with my right, touch right forward, make a semicircle, back, step back on the right, a semicircle, touch left back, a step forward on left. One more time, so it's touch, step back, step forward. Or this direction is touch, step back, step forward. Okay, you could skip the semicircles, just do the touch straight forward, step back, touch straight back, step forward. The circles are just sort of styling. Yeah. Okay, the counting as well. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time in this direction as well. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's one way of doing the Charleston. There's another way as well. Then you start with a step. You start with a step. Now we start with a touch. Okay, so if you start with a step forward with my right. In this, I could do it with left as well. Step. It's almost to do a kick if you start with a step. Kick, step back, touch back. But you could of course do with a semicircle as well. So it's step, touch forward, step back, touch back. Yeah. It's more common to do with a kick and so straight towards you as well. So it's step, kick, step, touch back. Yeah. And if you do it with the left, of course it's step left forward, kick with right, step right back, touch left back. So that's two different ways of doing the Charleston step. Okay, good luck.